Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 29th through July 11th. For the period July 29th through July 3rd, we're forecast an amplified pattern across North America. Here we have a trough over Alaska extending south of the Aleutians, and we also have a trough here in the eastern U.S. and a ridge centered over the Great Basin with above normal heights across western North America. Now, the GFS and the NavGen depict a broader and weaker trough, and we're going to look at that now. We're going to go to the GFS. And we're going to go now to the third. Okay, here's the third. We have like kind of like a broader trough here across eastern U.S. and weaker. And then we'll look at the NavGen, and also kind of like a broader or weaker trough. So that's what the NavGen is forecasting. During this period, we expect hot conditions in the west, particularly the northwest. The anomalies will reach 18 degrees above normal. I'll show you this in a second. Across here, 18 degrees above normal. Elsewhere, temperatures would be about 10 to 12 degrees above normal. Also across the southeast might be a little bit lower, like maybe about 8 to 10 degrees below normal. Above normal. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and the area of below normal temperatures, I am forecasting anomalies of 8 degrees below normal. Now we're going to look at the period for July 2nd to the 6th. Here we are at the 3rd. We see very little change in circulation pattern. Most of the models are showing this. One thing I want to note is the GFS, or the European, and we're going to go now to the 6th. And you can see what starts to happen. It starts building heights along the eastern U.S., pushes the trough further east, and it weakens. So for the precipitation forecast, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, and above normal precipitation for this region. Now we're going to look at the period for July 7th to the 11th. Here we are at the 7th. Still, like this is GFS begins to build heights. The pattern is forecast to be less amplified, even though the GFS has a fairly amplified trough here in the middle of the nation, still above normal heights in the west. And then we go like to the 10th, and you start seeing that it's picking up the trend that the European was doing in the last period. It starts building heights here along the east coast and weakens the trough. And then we're looking at the Canadian, or the European ensembles. This is forecast of near to above normal heights across much of the nation. Now we're going to look at the GFS. One thing to note, the GEFS ensembles. And we're going to go to the 11th. And it has a flatter flow. Here's our ridge, the subtropical ridge across this region, but weaker heights above normal heights across the northwest. That might lead to cooler temperatures. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures for this region, and the temperature anomalies I don't have the temperature anomalies. Above normal temperatures for the West Coast and Great Basin and Southeast, Middle Atlantic are expected to be 6 to 18 degrees above normal with the higher anomalies in the Northwest, and below normal temperatures are forecast for the Upper Mississippi Valley with anomalies of 6 to 8 degrees below normal. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 29th through July 11th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.